In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to export video in DaVinci Resolve 19 for YouTube. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. So before we export our video, firstly we need to change some settings in DaVinci Resolve 19. Firstly, open settings, and here make sure to choose your timeline resolution according to your footage. So my video footage is 4K, that's why I have selected 4K here. If you have 1080p footage, then you need to select this option. So I have 4K, that's why I need to select it, and make sure to select your frame rate according to your footage as well, and then tap on save. Now we need to render our video. For that, go to the deliver tab. You can change your file name from here, choose the location, and under video we need to change our format to QuickTime. So we need to change it to QuickTime, and then under codec you can either choose H.264 for more compatibility but higher file size. If you want lower file size with less compatibility, then you can go with H.265, but I want to go with more compatibility, that's why I'm going with H.264. And then under quality we need to select restrict to and make sure to make it 60,000. This is what I usually prefer. And now we just need to tap on add to render queue and tap on render all to render your footage for YouTube. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.